Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Jacob. We're out here just hanging out at the shelter. It's probably one of the last days we'll be able to hang out before winter actually starts to set in. We're gonna kind of do like a little portable stove review. That and we're also gonna do a trail like MRE meal review. It's Mountain House biscuits and gravy. So I hope you guys enjoy this. All right, so we're down here by the stream. I've got myself this little cup here and a Sawyer water filter. We're gonna filter out some water, get it boiling on my little portable stove, and we'll see about how long it takes to boil. For starters, what you wanna do is you wanna grab your bag. You come down here and fill it up. Oh, I don't know why I'm putting the cap back on. You grab your Sawyer filter, screw that on top of the water, or the water bottle here, and dry off everything so you don't contaminate what's going inside there. Alright, you just hold it upside down and you start squeezing it through.
Oh,
Don't drink that water.
You're gonna drink the water.
It looks like fresh water, dude. That was actually really crystal clear.
That's actually
very crystal clear water in there. Kind of want to taste it.
All right.
Dude, try it.
All right.
It doesn't taste bad at all.
Fuck.
Here.
Literally tastes like water.
Right. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and fill this up the rest of the way with water, and we will be right back with you. All right. So we have our cup of water here. Just gonna set that right here. We've got little fuel cubes for this portable stove. I don't know the name of the fuel exactly, but set one of those right in the center there. Get it all lit up for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy like these little lanterns we got set up. Kind of helping light everything up over here. Alright. Once this gets fully going, we'll get right back with you. Alright, so we got the cube fully going now. I'm just going to take our full cup of water here. Set it up just like that. And now we'll wait and see how long it takes for the water to boil. Alright, so here's what we're eating. It's Mountain House biscuits and gravy. On the back it says, open, package, and tear notch, remove, and discard oxygen absorber. Carefully add 3/4 of a cup of boiling water. So I'm just gonna have to guess with how much water, but you just stir carefully and close the zipper. And after 4 minutes, stir again, and then you just let it stand for 8 to 9 minutes to let it cool down, and then you just enjoy. So I don't know exactly how they packaged this, like how exactly they put biscuits and gravy in here. Maybe they're like little biscuit chunks. I'm not too sure. It's kind of what it feels like. But yeah, we're about to chow down on this. We had to add another cube to it. The water's steaming, as you can see. But the cube was practically already almost gone. It wasn't to a full rolling boil. So we're just gonna let that go. We added another one in there, so we're just gonna let that go, and hopefully it'll get to a rolling boil this time. But that water is hot.
It's bubbling at the bottom.
See?
It's boiling.
Yeah, it's boiling.
We got boils.
We got bubbles. All right. So here in a sec, we will add the water to our Mountain House biscuits and gravy, and we will be munching down here soon. All right, guys, it's boiling. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off the heat here. All right, that's a rolling boil. Ooh. Careful, bro.
Don't do this to you. Hold on.
Here, just put it on the ground. This would be easier doing this.
Hola! Burning hot water. Yeah.
All right. Still got a lot of hot water left over.
Stir it.
Yep, give it a good stir.
It already smells good.
Right? Now give it a really nice stir. And then you just close her up and let it sit for a minute. That's not half bad. First initial taste test, guys. Actually was pretty good.
Not bad at all. Not bad at all.
Alright guys, so as you can see here.
There's a dehydration pouch in there.
Yeah, there's a little dehydration pouch inside. Just remove that. But as you can see, there's little biscuit chunks in there and gravy mix. So that looks pretty cool. For the taste test, final taste test, we let this sit for quite a while. Kind of looks like mush in there a little bit, but you can see sausage and biscuits. Woo. Give that a good stir. Look at that. How's it taste? Pretty good. Jacob's already munching away.
Enjoy.
My God. That's good.
Literally tastes like biscuits and gravy.
Probably could sit a little longer. Still a little bit of crunchiness in it, but other than that,
A little bit more water.
Yeah, a little bit more water.
But I mean, it will get you your calories.
Yeah, that is really good. If you guys are wondering, I'm not sponsored by these guys or sponsored by the people who make the military stove. I just wanted to review their stuff, and yeah, it's not bad. I mean, if I was out camping or stuck in a wilderness situation, I would definitely eat this. So,
I feel lucky if I ate this.
right? Good thing I'm stocking up on this stuff. I think it's only $6 for this, for just one bag. It's like $8 once you get like the bigger meals like lasagna and stuff like that.
It's $6?
Yeah.
$6 something? These wooden spoons are cool.
It's bamboo.
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 Oh yeah, I forgot you guys use your bamboo.
Alright guys, well, let's get down here. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Enjoyed you guys hanging around with me as we did this little review. Really nice night out here. Just a little chilly, but not too bad. Go ahead and hit that like button down below if you guys did enjoy this. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you guys. I do stuff like this almost every week. So if you guys are into this type of thing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I also do a lot of fishing, hiking, camping. So as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.